Hi everyone, let's paint together today this beautiful winter flower mandala. We got our base 15 centimeters or 6.6 inches. So we easily can find the center like that. And again, finding the middle point of this and making like lines perpendiculars like that, and this way we can kind of easily can create our basic marks. After that, I'm making circles every 1 centimeters, and as I said, making circles. So this is the easiest way how we can create basic marks for square shape of our base. This can be wood, it could be canvas, whatever you prefer, paint on, or whatever you can find. So as I know, it's not so easy usually to find it. So I'm choosing, as you see, from second line from this angle, I'm making additional marks like that, just connecting our lines. So this give us additional points, additional marks to create more beautiful details. As you see, I'm using white pearl 3D drops. You can find all materials in description, but definitely use one that you can find. First dots I'm placing on the lines. As you can see, the color is light Mocha. All materials in description. And the second one between those ones, and the color is snow white because it's winter mandala, as we said. And the next one, I'm again coming back to light Mocha, and I'm making, as you see, these nice tails between previous dots. And I'm using a thin tool like 1 millimeter or whatever you can find, and definitely easy way to use the space between previous dots, line of dots. Leave it to dry out, and with snow white I'm making like that, just walking around with the dots. As you notice, I'm doing this only from 4. This one with that is closer to our angle, and this one a little bit smaller. And you see even these small details that we are choosing another tool, giving you like already something additional. Sorry for my hair. With thin small brush, making small strokes like that, and you see between our additional marks that we just created, and the color is snow white again, like that. Really nice already. Coming back to our 3D drops, I'm using white pearl, and you see on the angles I'm making small 3D drops and small tails towards our strokes we just created, and additional 3D drops like that. I'm starting at the center and walking around. I'm not counting, just use imagination and maybe count, maybe look how big your ones will be. And you can see it's really nice, really like celebrating winter. Moving forward, on this line I'm placing dot. Again, I'm using light mocha color, and I'm making these tails. As you can see, again, just double down on the same pattern, but because it's much bigger, it looks a little bit different. And I'm not using too much different colors, as you can see, but definitely it still looks really nice. Like that. And you see, I'm making this from these sides where our angles are, only 4 of them, because we are creating 4 flowers now, because we're getting a little bit more space where our angles are. And again, our pearl shaded drops. And I'm making not too big with tails, and too small, just like that, nearby. Be careful, we don't want them to contact and combine in big ones, so you can need to place this separately. As with Snow White paint, walking around like that with dots. Really nice looks like. This contrast with light colors and black base really works. The same small brush, and I'm using one first custom color, and what is this made from you can find in description. And as you see, I'm literally moving like that around our base, our pattern that we just create to base for our flowers. Starting next strokes, you can see we are starting on line. I choose a little bit bigger brush and Snow White paint. Just moving brush around, and we see we start a little bit lower, like that, really nice. And light mocha again. I'm starting lower, like maybe 5-6 millimeters lower. Just remove if you find something in your paint, pieces of dried paint or something like that, as I did. Really nice, beautiful flowers already, but adding small, like that, small strokes around with Snow White paint. Really adding additional details to our wonderful flowers, like that. And more strokes with our first custom color. Remove all bubbles, if you can see, because when everything will be dried out, this will be like holes in your paint. We don't need this effect, so just removing everything. I'm making these strokes really like wide, not too big, but really nice wide, to make this really beautiful. Like that. Add a little bit more material if you need, and remove all bubbles. Moving forward, Snow White again. I'm starting, as you see, on this cycle, and I'm more concentrated on the space between flowers to make it as similar as I can, like that. And again, light mocha. The same middle-sized brush. As you see, I'm kinda a little bit, moving my brush a little bit around, and I did start a little bit up from the previous strokes, like that. Really nice, beautiful combination and flowers. So a little bit lower and our Snow White paint this time, and middle size brush, like that. Coming back to our 3D drops, and I'm just making additional drops like that along these lines, as you can see on the video, like that. And after that, I maybe add a little bit more details like that. So I'm adding 3 drops, you see, and creating small tails. Really careful to not combine this, to make these dots be separate, like that. And letting everything dry out. Just you can come back tomorrow or when you can find free time. So everything dried. You can add a little bit more details over there by laying a little bit more paint on these small drops. I will pin the video with how we can make our dots a little bit bigger. And with our, again, the same 3D drops, I'm adding small drops on the top of these bases. Everything dry, so we can do this. And you see it's a little bit more lighting up our central part of mandala, and this way it's like starting to work with our drops that we did create yesterday. Moving forward, I want to add a little bit more details between our flowers with small brush and our first custom color. So what I'm doing, because everything dried, you can experiment a little bit. So I'm literally making like additional strokes around like that. Not even too much connected to the flowers, just between, as you can see. And this definitely making this even more interesting. These all small details that we are creating and playing with space like that. You can add a little bit more material if you want. And again, our 3D drops. So I'm leaving a little bit more space. I want to make tails like that. And you see this one dot combined, I place this too close to each other, so I want to remove one. I will try to remove only one, and we removing all additional material to make this dot really nice and separate from each other, like that. And moving forward, I'm going with small, one a little bit bigger and 2 small dots, like that. And this first one I'm making like with a tail, like that. And like that. Really nice. And let's play a little bit more with our angles. With small brush, firstly with Snow White color, I'm just making small strokes around like that. I can even walk a little bit on the angles and just make it easy and make it just play with the space. We don't need to fill every gap. Gap may work like additional ornament also, like giving deep dipping our paint. And first custom color, as you see, I'm making a little bit more like open strokes around, like that. And we're almost there. I'm placing really big drops of 3D on the top of these bases that left, and we are ready. Look how beautiful, a winter flower mandala. Hope you enjoy this mandala painting. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy your celebrations, and see you next one. Bye.